Hi Mark, I'm Russell Thompson, aka Funbox. I'm here in the Cali Salamanca here.
Wow.
I say Gordon's Bar. So here with a lot of good beers on the eve of the Valencia game. So yeah, there's a lot of good tunes going on. We're having a few drinks. Obviously this one gin and tonic, you know, we get down the night very easily. So yeah, I was also like to introduce you to a few beers here in the vicinity this evening. Welcome Aki. Aki, I'd like to introduce to Mark. Say hello to the camera. Hello. This is obviously Aki is a local in the vicinity. Good doctor, you know. So obviously we have a few people here, you know. So it's a famous Paisley Broad there, Andy Cumming, very famous. We have Gillian Shearer from the Cook of Devon. Cook of Devon, that's somewhere up north in Scotland. Nobody knows where that is.
Tommy Clark?
Oh my God, that's Tommy Clark. Tommy Clark, aka Sandy Hills Blue, is here. Welcome to the camera. Tommy, see if you love your friend home. Is that it? One word. I love the camera.
Wow.
Okay, after that letdown, I'm going to say a few words of wisdom.
Okay, thanks.
The Bruno! I'll be Bruno, okay. I'll be a gay transvestite for Vienna, you know, so... Anyways, I'll send my way up to the Rangers game tonight, you know, hope for a good result. I think it's going to be 2-0. Then it's going to be maybe Naismith, Miller, you know, each goal each. And then we're going to hammer these Valencians. Then we're going to get up the road. The train's not going to crash. We're going to go home, have a very good time. So what I'll do is I'll sign in after the game once we've won and celebrate accordingly. So, adios!